Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Sissy. Today I have a little Dollar Tree haul for you. So get your coffee or get your drink. I have my wonderful new mug. Oh, it's got lipstick all over it. I'm sorry. There you go. There's my new mug, Coffee Goddess. I love these mugs, but try not to be a hoarder and just buy them because I already have all the pretty mugs from Dollar Tree. So I only got this one, but it is good. It's nice and big. So let me get a little sip and then we'll get started. Okay, these are in no order. I just have them like always. I have my big bag from Dollar Tree. So let's just get started. I found one of these cute little Sure Scents scented oil warmers with a cute little owl. So I got that. I thought that was really cute. And it can take any, what refills does that take? It can use, I think the Glade ones will fit in here. I'll have to check. But it was real cute. And I picked up some of the Collagen makeup cleansing wipes. Some of y'all know that I have eczema on my face. I've had a really bad outbreak lately, but it's almost healed up. And I found these to be very gentle, and they don't burn or cause me any kind of irritation when I use them. So I picked up 2 packs of those. I'm trying not to use any cleansers on my face while I'm having an outbreak of eczema. So, but it's almost gone. I have one little spot right here under this eye that is taking a little longer to heal up. Then I got some of this great air freshener. This is my favorite air freshener, Angel of Mine Baby Room Air Freshener. It smells just like baby powder. So I love that. And then I got my light bulbs. I try to buy all my light bulbs at Dollar Tree because they're so cheap. And I have ceiling fans, and they take these funky little bulbs, and they're really expensive. And I've been spending $7, $8 for 2 bulbs for years. It didn't have one day and thought, well, maybe this will fit. It's not exactly the same shape as those, but the base looked similar, and these fit. So 2 for $1. All the money I could have been saving. But then I picked up some of this Powder Fresh Power Stick. This is good. It's similar to Secret. They do have Secret in my Dollar Tree now. It's the slightly smaller, I think, not quite travel size, but not quite full size. But I picked these up, and I get the Secret when they do have it. And oh, I got this cute little what is that called? Agate? I don't know. Anyway, it looks like the cut rock. I can't think of what the term for that is, but it says live. What does that say? Lives in full bloom. Okay. I just saw the in full bloom, which I love anything to do with flowers. I got this to go in my office. I have a little bookshelf in my office that has plants on it, and I've got one of the little rock garden things from Dollar Tree that says life began in a garden, so I thought I would put this with it. And that was real cute. And then I got these 2 little wooden frames. These are really cute. These are 4x6. These are for DIY coming up, so be watching for that. I hope to have that up this week. And I'm a sucker for the e.l.f. makeup. Every time they put a new e.l.f. thing in there, I get it. This is the Pink Lemonade All Over Color Stick. I did get the Pink Lemonade lip gloss. I didn't like it. The color just looks terrible on me, but I thought I'd give this a try, maybe as a cream blush. So, or you could do it as a lip gloss, I think. It doesn't say anything about don't use on your lip. Oh, it says you can use it on your lips or your eyes. Well, maybe we'll give that a try. Then I hauled this a while ago, but I must have misplaced it. So, I found it. I thought I'd put it in this haul. I got this to go on my sweet puppy, Sammy. He passed away at Christmas, and I have a little place for him in my backyard. I'm going to put that on it. So, yes, I am one of those crazy dog ladies. I have a pet cemetery in my yard. So anybody in my family whose pet passes away, somehow they end up in my yard. So, but anyway. I got one of these little bath sponges. I'm not going to use it to wash with. I've got some of the powder that, you know, that pink powder. I can't remember what the brand is, but I got several bottles of it. And I don't like just pouring it on me, so I thought I would just dip this in there and kind of use it as a powder puff, because those big powder puffs are really expensive, and that was $1 because it's the Dollar Tree. Y'all, it's really early in the morning when I'm doing this, so if I'm acting a little loopy, that's what it is. But let me get a little more coffee. Oh, and let me tell you about this coffee. It did not come from Dollar Tree. I have tried the Dollar Tree coffee. I'm not a fan. To me, it was just brown water. I've tried all of them. I tried the K-Cups. I tried the instant, and I just don't like it. So, but anyway, this is Walmart brand, Great Value Creme Brulee coffee. I think it's $1.77 for the little bag. That is the best coffee I've ever had, because I'm doing the keto low carb diet, so I don't get a lot of treats, no sweets or anything like that, but I do have my creme brulee coffee, and it is really good. So, okay, back to the haul. Okay, I got the Essentials collapsible storage container, this little cute one. I'm going to put this one in the back seat of my car and put my tote bags in it. I like to take my bags with me when I buy groceries or when I go shopping, because I can't stand stuff to roll around in my car, so I thought that would be a good way to organize them. I have them all crammed in a tote bag in the back seat, but it just gets so messy and rumbled around till I thought I would give that a try. Usually I don't buy food from Dollar Tree because I have a hard time finding anything that's low carb, but some of you know I'm kind of taking care of my mama who has Alzheimer's, and I take her something to eat every day and try to put little things in her pantry that she could fix if she gets hungry. She's kind of at that stage where sometimes whatever you put in front of her, she eats all of it, or whatever she has, she'll eat all of it, and then sometimes she won't eat, and then sometimes she's normal and she'll eat when she's hungry. So try not to have a lot of food at her house, because if you leave it, you know, like I said, she'll eat all of it, or she'll throw it away, or, you know, it's just kind of a confusing time for her. But she does like peanut butter, and I made a mistake of getting a great big jar of peanut butter, and then she was sick because she ate, I guess she ate the whole jar of peanut butter. I couldn't find it, so I don't know what she did with it. So I'm buying her the little jar of peanut butter. She likes this, and I take her this and a few crackers, kind of dole it out. I go every day and take it to her and check on her and everything. She can still stay by herself, but it worries me. So, but anyway, this is peanut butter. It's 10 ounces of peanut butter for $1, and it's good peanut butter, and she enjoys it. I don't eat this peanut butter because, as I said, I'm doing the low carb thing, and this has vegetable oil in it, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, soybean oil, and molasses. So for me, that's a big no-no. The peanut butter I do eat is just peanuts and oil. Sorry about that. I had camera problems, but maybe we're back. I got a new camera, and it's a learning curve, a steep learning curve for me. But anyway, Wet n Wild concealer brush. This is good. I love these brushes, and they're only $1. And I got the Nautical Rope. This is for a DIY coming up this week. And I've got these cute little sun things, little yard stakes. These are also for my little pet cemetery for my Sammy, because I always used to tell him he was my sunshine. So I got those for him. And I got some of the, I finally found some of the Bolero products. My Walmart, not my Walmarts, I go to Walmart too much. My Dollar Tree here never got any, but the next town over got some, and I got the honeysuckle and green tea. I'm a sucker for green tea. I love green tea, so I got that. And let's see, I got some hair twisters. I wanted the scunchie ones, but they didn't have any, but these are just as good. And it's hot, and the humidity has my hair, so I've been using these a lot lately. You can't do anything with it, I just pull it up. And I got my apple fruit Fabuloso. This stuff is great. I love this. I even add this to my dog blankets when I wash them, and the slip covers for my couches in the living room, because I do have dogs and my son's here with his dogs. So in order for my house not to smell like dogs, I'd rather it smell like Fabuloso. So I just put a little cap full into the washer when I'm washing clothes, and it takes all the dog odor out, and it does leave a nice fragrance. And then I mop the floor with it, and sometimes when I get through mopping the floor and I have the bowl, you know, with the water and the stuff in it, I just leave that sitting out till the scent comes out, and it leaves a nice fragrance. And some little generic allergy things. Things are still blooming. I still have allergies, so I got those. And they're good. They're $1, and I don't really need anything that strong. It's just that, you know, you get that pesky nasal drip and everything. Oh, I got these little, I guess they're candle holders from the Dollar Tree, but I got these to put my makeup brushes in. I had hauled before, I think I told y'all, I got the little ones that said, Hello Gorgeous and You Are My Sunshine, and they were really pretty. Well, I dropped my brushes in, and from taking the brushes and putting them in, it just chipped right through the grass and broke every one of them. So this is a little thicker, so I'm hoping this will work better. I did have them in some coffee cups, but I didn't look that good, so I thought I'd give these a try. And I got 2 of those, and bless their hearts at Dollar Tree, they waste so much money on bags. They really didn't need to. Look at this. Bag, bag, bag. But I guess they don't want to break it. But I think they spent more on the bags than they did on my little vases. So not much more, y'all, and we'll be done. I got some of the twin double razors. I haven't used these before. Are these any good? I'm going to give them a try, because, you know, it is summertime, and I might have to break down and put on a pair of shorts. Oh, I haven't worn shorts in so long. And I got the Essentials Makeup Organizer. I'm trying to organize my little makeup area a little better. I've got everything shoved in little drawers, and I can't ever find it. And then when I do find it, it's all spread out, and it looks a mess. Oh, y'all, look at this. Lime Away Thick Gel Formula Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This stuff is great. It works so good. I use this at my mama's house and at my house too, but she has well water, and it's real hard water, and she gets those hard water stains, and they are terrible to clean out. And this, you put it in, let it set a minute, it scrubs right off. This is great stuff, and well worth $1. And it's kind of got a good thick consistency too, so I don't feel like I'm just squirting it in there and it's going straight down the drain. What else I got in this bag? Oh, what's in here? Some of the Screen Power Stick body spray for her. Just a little extra protection on these 100-degree days here. I think the heat index today is supposed to be 110. So that's why I'm doing this early. Get this done, and then I might be doing a little Netflix or Amazon or binging YouTube videos. But okay, and then I got the little makeup haul in here. Oh, just a little bag of makeup. Okay, I got the LA Colors Auto Lip Liner in Classic. Give that a try. And I got some of the LA Colors eyeshadow in Smoky. Give that a try. And oh, I'm down to one little bag, but these are some cute things. These are my favorite things that I found this time. Is the cute little burlap faux wooden with the tin on it. Welcome to our home. I think I'm going to use this on a DIY on a wreath, but we'll see. And then this cute one that says everything starts with a dream. I think this is so cute. I might put this in my bedroom. So, and up more hair twist. Can never have enough, because I lose them. I take them out and throw them down, and then I'm looking for them. And then I got the honeysuckle and green tea Bolero hand soap to go with the body lotion I got. So that's it, y'all. That's it. Oh no, wait, I take that back. This is a new one for me. I haven't seen this one before. I smelled it. It smells really good. It's the Pinel, I don't know how to say that, Max Aromas. It I don't know how it works or anything, but it does smell good. It's real floral and yeah, it smells florally, but not pine. It doesn't smell like pine. I can't stand the smell of pine, but it's real floral scent. It smells good, so I thought I would give that a try along with my Fabuloso. And as always, I got my Pet Fresh, Carpet Fresh. So, and now that is it. Y'all have a great day. And if you're new to my channel and you like what you saw and you want to see more, subscribe. I do a lot of different things. I'm going to be trying to do a lot of different things from here on out. But thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment. If there's something you'd like to see, a DIY, or you want to know about how I'm treating the eczema on my face, I think I said in one of my videos, I went to the dermatologist and he gave me the steroid cream, but I don't like putting it, because it was concentrated around my eyes, I don't like putting the steroid cream on my face. I already have a cataract in one eye, and one of the side effects of the steroid cream could be detached retinas and cataracts and things like that. So I tried to do it all natural, and it seems to be working. So if y'all want to know how I did that, just leave me a comment and I'll talk about that, because I love to talk and I love to talk about everything. So, but y'all keep watching, because I hope to have a lot of videos on a bunch of different subjects coming up. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day. Stay cool. If you're in the South like me, it is so deadly hot out there. Don't leave your pets in the car. Don't leave your kids in the car. Drink lots of water and have a great day. Bye.